Captain Jonathan. You've called me on the phone we only use for top secret EcoExplorer missions, so we must have something. What do you need? Okay. Whoa, that sounds serious. But don't worry, I know the exact EcoExplorer for this mission. I'll send out the signal right now.
Hey Libby, I saw your signal and came right away. I'm EcoExplorer PingExplorer. How can I help?
Thanks, PingExplorer, for coming on such short notice. We need your help solving a water mystery. During times of heavy rain, water moves down roads and pavement until it drains along curbsides. These are called storm drains. After the water flows in the storm drain, it disappears. We need to know where that water is going ASAP. Do you think you can help?
Yes, I can.
Great! I'm so glad you can help. Your mission is to find DEQ Agent McNutt. He is an expert on where water flows. He will be able to help you solve this mystery. The only thing is, you need a very special EcoExplorer communicator in order to reach him. You can use this Ducky communicator to talk with him and solve this mystery.
Okay, what do I do with that?
Record your voice into this rubber ducky and ask Agent McNutt how water flows. Then, go find your nearest storm drain and send this duck on its way. Hopefully, however water flows, this duck will find its way to Agent McNutt.
I'm on it.
Okay, here it is, PingExplorer. Good luck. I know you can do it.
So, the EcoExplorer wants to know what happens to things when they go down a storm drain. Let's explore. This can be quite an adventure. To get to where we are now, this ducky has already had quite the journey. A journey that could have started in many different locations higher up in the watershed. Away from this large river is where small creeks and streams start. They come out of the ground and they slowly merge with each other, forming larger and larger streams, and then those streams merge with each other, forming larger and larger rivers. And the river continues to merge with other rivers and other streams all the way down to the ocean. So Ducky must have started out in one of those small streams up in the watershed and then floated into larger streams and more larger streams until they got here into this large river. In this small watershed, you can see there are lots of trees and leaves and small shrubbery. There's no streets, there's no houses. So when it rains here, the water soaks into the ground, it infiltrates, and then slowly makes its way down to the beginning of the stream. If Ducky started here in this natural watershed, it might take him a long time to make his way down to the larger river. In these natural watersheds, the water moves very slowly. The pollution gets removed. Now here in this urban watershed that's built upon, where you see lots of streets and other hard surfaces, when it rains in this watershed, the water hits the hard surface and runs off. Runoff. So what's wrong with runoff? It comes in large amounts and it can harm animals that live in creeks and streams. It also carries pollution like this. Runoff. Runoff moves quickly into storm drains, so based on the fact that Ducky got to me so quickly here, I think that's how he must have got here. So you see, EcoExplorer, no matter where you live in North Carolina, you're upstream or downstream of somebody or something. Anything that goes into the water eventually makes its way to the people downstream. Ducky must have taken that same route to get to me here. I hope that solves your mission, Ping Explorer. You're asking the important questions and thinking like a real scientist. Now, to get this ducky back to you, I'll use my superhuman forces to launch this ducky into the air.
It's a bird? It's a plane? It's a rubber ducky? Oh, the ducky communicator. Let's listen to the message. So you see, Libby, the water in storm drains flows into streams, rivers, and eventually the ocean.
I guess we have to be careful about what goes down into the storm drains. Anything we put down there can make it through our waterways. Thanks so much for your help, Ping Explorer. Once again, you saved the day.
All in a day's work, Libby.